We're doing good, and I hope that this will continue. But I need soldiers. Tingin dito. Kailangan ko ng Boy Scout. Kailangan ko ng sundalo. Laki. Hindi naman lahat, pero baka gusto ninyo. Piloto. Kailangan ko ng estudyante sa PMA. At integrate. Kasi marami na akong eroplano, wala akong piloto. Marami akong barko sa Navy, wala namang mag-Navy. Kasi dito, tinanggal nila just because there was a hazing and resulted in the death of one ROTC. Yung gobyerno, it was a hip shooter, abolished the ROTC. Now, walang